Hi, and welcome to Thursday Micro Tips. Today we are going to look at 6 different ways to selecting text in Microsoft Word. And yes, I know that you're probably used to the various ones of drag, click, shift and click, but we're going to explore some new ones together. So let's jump over to Microsoft Word as we talk. Okay. So I've got some text here at the present moment in a Word document, and traditionally you have probably clicked on the left-hand side and dragged your cursor across the text to actually select that text, which when we've dragged it, we can do a variety of things to it. Let's have a look at some different options. If I click on the left-hand side here, put my finger on the Shift key and click down here on the right-hand side, you will notice that it allows me to select rather than directing or dragging across. Now, the advantage of this technique is that you can always put your finger back on the Shift key and deselect the text as well. So finger on Shift allows us to keep adding or deselecting text that we've got. You've also got the advantage of hovering your mouse over a word and double clicking. That will always select the word. But did you know that if you take your mouse over, for example, again, we'll keep it on that same word, and if I give it a triple click, it will automatically select the paragraph. So nice, easy way to pick up that paragraph. Now, again, noticing that I'm always taking my mouse back out here to that right-hand margin to unselect. So you can, for example, put your mouse in the left-hand margin and give it a triple click, and that will automatically select the whole document. So that triple click allows you inside of a paragraph to pick up the paragraph, but if you're in the left-hand margin, 1, 2, 3, and it will pick up the whole document. Let's have a look at a couple of extra ones. Let's say, for example, that you want to select that sentence in the center there. If you hover your mouse over a word in that sentence, put your finger on the Control key and click, what you will notice is it selects the sentence. So again, a really simple way to go in and select content. Okay, so let's have a look at the ultimate. You've got a list here, and if I turn on my Show Hide, you'll notice that I've pressed my Tab key to actually indent that content. But you may want to remove those tabs. So instead of selecting the first part of each of those lines, there's a really nice technique that you can use, and that is the Alt key, putting your Alt key down, and by dragging over where you want to select, it will select that area. The great feature of this is, for example, I can press my backspace key and it got rid of all of those tabs in one simple move. So let's have a look at that again. I'm going to do an undo, Ctrl Z. I took my mouse out to that left-hand side, and before I started to drag, I put my finger on the Alt key, and then what it allows me to do is select a vertical area. Again, by using my backspace key, I got rid of those extra tabs that were in my document. So some nice, easy ways for you to select text rather than just dragging over it. Thank you. Thank you for joining us today on our micro tips. Remember, this content will remain live for you to see on either Facebook or YouTube or via our website. And the content that we do on Tuesday at 2 p.m. will always be live as we do it, and then we'll take it to the members area. Hope you have a great day, and thank you for joining.